Hello and welcome back to my podcast. I'm very excited because we have special guests joining us to talk about how materials requirement planning is applied in the manufacturing of one of the most popular products in the fashion industry, sneakers. We are going by several experts who will explain the role MRP plays in sneakers production and why it's so important. And let's start. To start, Cassandra, thanks for joining us. Could you explain what materials requirement planning is and how it applies to sneaker production?
First of all, thank you for the invitation. And certainly, MRP is a system that helps manufacturers calculate the materials and components needed to produce a product. In the case of sneakers, MRP helps identify what raw materials like rubber, leather, textiles, and shoelaces are required, as well as the quantities needed to produce a specific number of shoes.
Thanks for being here, Cass. And now, Mariana, thanks for you joining us as a will. So, Mariana, why it's so important for sneakers companies to use MRP in the manufacturing process?
Well, hi, and MRP is vital in manufacturing because it allows companies to plan ahead and efficiently source the materials they need. It ensures there are no delays due to material shortages, and it also helps manage production schedules, reducing excess inventory or waste resources. Ultimately, MRP helps companies keep costs under control while delivering high-quality products on time.
Thank you for sharing that information, Mariana. Next, we have Sophia. I am very excited to have you here and for you to share your experience with us. Sophia, can you give us an example of a material list and quantities needed to manufacture a specific pair of sneakers, please?
Sure. To produce a pair of sneakers, the materials list might include rubber for the sole, leather, or synthetic fabric for the laces, and laces themselves. For example, to produce 1,000 pairs of sneakers, the factory would need 1,000 soles, 2,000 meters of fabric, 1,500 meters of foam, and so on. MRP calculates these quantities and helps ensure the right amount of each material is ordered and available.
Thank you so much for your information on this topic, which I feel incredibly important as a business student. Now let's go to Nancy. Thank you for taking the time to be here. Nancy, I would like to ask you, how do MRP relate to the inventory of sneakers company?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for having me. And well, MRP is closely linked to inventory management. It determines the exact quantity of each material needed to meet production goals, which means inventory levels are optimized. For sneaker companies, MRP helps avoid overstocking expensive materials or running out of key components like soles or uppers, which can halt production. It also keeps the right materials in stock at the right time.
Thank you so much, Nancy. To conclude, we have Aide. Welcome. It's a pleasure to have here. I have this question for you. Aide, could you share 5K benefits of using MRP in the sneakers production?
Hi, absolutely. First, MRP improves production efficiency by ensuring materials are available when needed. Second, it reduces inventory costs by preventing overstocking. Third, it helps avoid production delays due to material shortage. And fourth, it enables better forecasting and planning for future production runs. And lastly, MRP ensures that sneaker companies can meet customer demand without delays, improving customer satisfaction.
Thank you for your information on how materials recruitment planning plays an important role in sneakers manufacturing. And it's clear that MRP optimizes inventory, reduces costs, and ensures efficient production. Thanks to our listeners for tuning in, and we'll be back next time with more topics on supply chain and manufacturing process. Thanks.